Welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you the easiest way how you could download Windows 11 legally under ISO format. To do that, just open your browser and go to, if you have browser Google or whatever browser, just type download Windows 11 and hit enter. We want to locate www.microsoft.com and under which there is download Windows 11 Microsoft. Click on it. Here you will be prompted to choose which version of Windows you want. Just click on Windows 11. And the next step, here you will have create Windows installation media and you will have download Windows 11 disk image for 64. So here I will select multi-edition and I will click download. Select the product language. I will select French and I click confirm. And here it's given me 64 bits. So I will click download and the download should start. Once the download is completed, I will have Windows 11 under an ISO file. I will pause the video here and once the download is completed, I will show you how it looks like. As you can see guys, the download has been completed and now I have the Windows 11 under an ISO file format which I can burn in a USB or in an SD card and use it for fresh installation or to use it even to run under VirtualBox or virtual machine. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.